So welcome to a very short demo of what Virtualrx is all about. So it's an inventory management solution, and with most of the modules, so I'll just run you through the modules that we have. So we have the dashboard. For dashboard, you see an overview of your sales, of your payment due, purchase due. You see it gives you an overview of what's happening in your business, right? Purchase execution, people you are owing, product that are expiring, stock that's going out of stock. And you also have the user management modules, allows you to add users and also allows you to add roles. So for roles, you can create as many roles as possible. So you create roles and then you assign users to roles. For the contact module, allows you to import contacts. You can import your supplier, you can create suppliers, you can create customers, you can create customer groups and attach them to different customers based on your business needs. We have the products module. Product module gives you the permission to see all products. You can add products, you can update prices, you can edit products. If you use a barcode scanner, you can print labels. You have product variation that allows you to sell one product for multiple variations. So for example, a shirt with multiple colors, for example. You can import products in bulk, you can add your opening stock. Product also has the units, categories and brands and warranties if these are things that you normally use. And we have the purchase module. Purchase module allows you to add purchase, list purchase, to create a purchase order, to create a purchase requisition. You also have the options to add the purchase return. So for example, you bought something from a supplier, you want to return it, you can create a sort of invoice for it here by creating a purchase return. We have the sales module. Sales module allows you to sell. So you can sell, you can see what's happening, you can see all sales, you can add drafts, you can add quotation. You can also have sell return for this. So somebody bought something from you and they want to return it, you can also create like a sell return for them and give them an invoice for that. If you also do e-commerce or you do deliveries, you have the shipments module. You can create shipments, you can attach shipments to your orders so that you track when it has been delivered or if it is cancelled or if it's in transit. So you have all these options here. And you have stock transfer module. For stock transfer module, allows you to transfer stock from one location to the other. This is what the stock transfer module is all about. Just simple adding a stock transfer and you can transfer stock. You have stock adjustments module, allows you to adjust stock, allows you to reduce stock. So you use the stock adjustment module to reduce stock. So if you have 10 items, for example, and you want to reduce it to 8, when you come to the stock adjustment module, you can use that to reduce it from 10 to 8. We have the expense module. So this is for people that want to also document their expenses on the software. So you can use this expense module to document your expenses. You can create expense categories for your expenses, as much category as possible, and subcategories as well. So you have payments account and accounting module. These are allows you to list your accounting expenses, categories, FCC balance sheets, your trial balance. You also get a payment account report. Your accounting module also allows you to see chart of accounts, your journal entry. You can budget with it. You can still report of the trial balance, the ledger, the accounts receivable, people that are owing you, accounts payable, people you are owing. And then you have the reporting module. Reporting module is quite broad. So you have the profit and loss report, you have the purchase and sales report, you have the tax reports if you are using that, customer group reports, stock reports, stock expiry reports. You have the batch number reports to see what batch have you finished selling or is still remaining. You have the stock adjustment report to help you see what you have adjusted previously. You have trending product reports. Trending product reports gives you an overview of the items that are fast selling, top selling in terms of quantity or SKUs. You have items reports. You have product purchase reports, product sale reports, expense reports. So we have a different video on reporting that you can watch if you want more details on how this reporting works and how you can do them for your business. We also have the register reports. The register reports allows you to see time that your cashier clocked in, time they clocked out. Helps you see an overview of what they sold in their shifts, the total number of products they sold and the SKU and the quantity, brands they sold. Just gives you that overview. We have activity log under reporting. Activity log gives you the access to see what everybody is in your company, every user. So you can see who is making stock adjustments. You can see who logged in, who logged out. You can see who is making a sell. You can see who is making a purchase. You can even see who deleted something. So in case they delete something, and see what was deleted and who deleted this. So activity log is like an audit trail to see what who is doing. Um, we have settings. So business settings allows you to set, or they allow you to set all these other modules I've talked about: products, contact, sale, based on your own unique need. Also allows you to activate some modules or deactivate some modules based on your need. So for example, we have kitchen, for restaurants. We have subscription service staff. So all these are based on unique need for maybe a restaurant. So for your business, you might not need all this, so you can deactivate them. We have the WooCommerce settings. So WooCommerce allows you to link your POS account to your own WordPress WooCommerce website. So if you have an e-commerce store that uses WordPress, you can link them up here so that your store on your POS shows on your WordPress WooCommerce website, and that way people can sell and people can buy directly from your WooCommerce, and you see it on under your all sales here in your POS account. And you also when you also add new stock, you also reflect on your WooCommerce, so it works both ways. So that's another view of Virtualrx POS software. Like I said, for most of these modules, there are more detailed videos, and you can also reach out to us if you have any issues or have any more questions about how each of them works. All right, thank you very much.